Hello everyone, I hope you are well and I'm fine by the grace of Allah. So today I am in Chaskur Bajar Gurdaspur Nator. You can see this is market of goat and cow. So there are a lot of farmer and businessmen come in this market for buying or selling. So you can see already, you can see they are businessmen and they are farmer are buying the goat. So if you like this video, subscribe, share and comments. And you can see nice and beautiful goat and cow. So really I cannot speak English. Oh my God. God is high price, 1,100 per kg. And maybe the beef of cow 700 per kg. So bye, Allah Hafiz.